In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable notifications from Opera browser app. If you are receiving a lot of alerts, maybe news alerts from various websites through Opera browser app, then you can disable this by just following some few simple steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, first we need to access the Opera browser app info page, and you can access it through settings. So if you go to settings here, you should be able to access Opera browser app info. But the shortcut method is just to long press on your app, and you can still have quite a number of options here. Choose this app info option. If you can't see this on your smartphone, then you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Opera app info page, and you can see it is here. At this point, go to permissions section, and under permissions, go to notifications. Currently, you can see notifications is turned to yes, and if I open it, all these notifications are on, and with this, you'll always receive notifications. To disable them, instead of turning off one by one here, under these notifications, just toggle off show notifications option here, and this will disable all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive notifications such as floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications. You will never receive them. So that's how you can permanently disable Opera browser app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.